What's going on, everyone? This is Kienzan Art, and I want to apologize for the delay. This Buu video should have been out already, but my laptop crashed on me and I have not been able to get the part 3 out. And I also wanted to release the video that you guys are seeing today, just the speed paint version. So hopefully soon I will have part 3 of the tutorial up on the channel. Until then, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I really hope that I get it fixed soon, because I got a lot of ideas. I got a lot of projects that I want you guys to see, that I want to video. And if you're wondering how I edited this video, I had to use my mom's computer. I had to go by there and bum hers. And what you guys are seeing now is some of the artwork that I have been doing. I think I've said this in a previous video. I don't post everything to YouTube, so be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. You can follow me on TikTok. I'll be posting things on there. And within all those platforms, my name is the same. Just type in Kienzan Art, I should pop up. And if you guys would like to place any commission orders, message me through Facebook or Instagram. I'm more likely to respond on there. So don't ask about commissions in the comments. I'm just going to refer you to those pages. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any questions, be sure to leave a comment. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe, do all that good stuff to support the channel. And until next time, guys.